welcome back to Joe Eat Mix. Today we're going to be making mystery flatbread. I'm not going to tell you yet because I want you to guess. What do you think this is? This is what I'm going to put in my flatbreads. Now you're not going to see this much. It's something called wild garlic. So I'm not sure if you can buy this or not. I don't think you can. But I foraged this myself. You definitely need an expert forager with you to forage it though, because it looks like something called Lords and Ladies, which is highly poisonous. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. It's not about foraging. So, this is by far the easiest recipe I've ever made on my channel. Right? Literally, 1, 2, 3 ingredients. That's it. So, I've got 350 grams of yogurt, which I'm now going to put in. Natural Greek yogurt, if you want to be precise. It's not only easy to make, it's easy with measurements. 350 grams of yogurt, 350 grams of self-raising flour. So easy. Goofy. You can chop it with a knife, but you can also do it with scissors. You just have to, it might just be a bit slow. Yeah, so put it in the bowl. It's a bit like the walnuts in the carrot cake. You just snip up the garlic to a fairly small size. It takes quite a long while, so I'll be with you when I get back. And here we go. We've got our wild garlic, but you're actually supposed to mix it first. I completely forgot. So mix it until it's kind of in a crumbly sort of texture. And then you knead it to the right texture. Now we're going to get our hands dirty. Now I'm not too keen on this, but just going to do it anyway. Punch. Boom, boom, boom. And then fold. Alright, so we're kind of there now. Just going to do one more punch and fold. There we go. So, kind of got it to the right needed consistency. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about the garlic. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to add all of this in, because it can be quite strong. But now, just got to do that again. Get it, knead it in. Oh, it smells so nice. Alright. I've got it now. My fingers as well have got it, I think. 1 second. I think I'm gonna wash my hands, maybe? Yeah. Alright, so it's also quite nice outside. It's really nice outside. So, I don't know why I moved that. I'm gonna try and not get too much. That fails. Blob. So, at the moment, it's not quite looking flat. That's not really a flatbread if it's not flat. So, I'm going to take a lump, maybe a bit of a bigger lump, off of this guy and just kind of make it into a ball. I know, that's not flat either, but then I'm going to place it down and go, we're going to make it flat, like a flatbread. I mean, it doesn't really matter what size it is. I mean, this would be really nice with a bit of butter on. and some vegetables. And I think that's probably what we'll do. So, I've now got whatever this is called. I think it's like a griddle pan or something. And then we're going to put it on like 8. Because I always cook this on a fire actually. Like a campfire. Alright, so I've just got it warming up. All we can do is wait. Right, so I've got my flatbread now. The pan's nice and hot. Let's go! There we go. Now, it shouldn't take too long. We just want to go until it's quite, like, nice and brown on the other side, I guess you could say. So, I'm gonna try and make sure it doesn't stick. I mean, you can always use like a normal pan for this if you don't have one. It doesn't mean you can't cook it. Yes, you could just say this is a bit better. So I'll come back. Flipped it and look at those lines. I mean, it's cooked perfectly. Check the other side. Almost done. Alright, look at that. Same on the other side. You ready? Let's see. Hey! Alright, I'm going to take that off the heat because we don't really want that to. Right, so I've had another bit of wild garlic because it's so good. Got a bit of butter. Ready to spread or dip, whatever you want. I'm going to spread. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to grab a bit. This is probably the worst bit to have, but the flatbread is so simple but delicious. And then I get a bit with lots of wild garlic. It's so nice. I'm just gonna eat all this. Bye!